Hello everyone, welcome to my another session. Today we are going to see the topic of network protocols and its types. The protocols, as we know that it is a set of defined rules, we will see in detail. Now we will see the definition. A protocol is a set of rules that governs the communication between computers on a network. There are rules which has a guidelines that regulate the following characteristics of a network, that is the access method and the allowed physical topologies, types of cabling and the speed of data transfer. Now we will see what is a protocol. A protocol is a controlled sequence of messages that is exchanged between two or more systems to accomplish or to complete a given task. The protocol specifications define the sequence together with a format or layout of messages that is going to be exchanged between two or more systems. In general, the communications may be defined by the message exchange between computers, or the communication systems use well-defined formats for exchanging messages. Each message has an exact meaning intended to a particular response of the receiver. The history of the Internet Protocol will be resulted by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency (DARPA) in the late 1960s. After initiating the pioneering ARPANET, the DARPA started work on the number of data transmission technologies that will work on both the satellite packet networks and ground-based radio packet networks. Later, the developer of the ARPA network changed a protocol named as Network Control Program Protocol (NCP), and in order to generate an open architecture interconnection models with the goal of designing the next protocol generation for the current existing network ARPANET. Now we will see why the protocol has been developed. In order to make communication, the protocols have to be followed, because in digital computing system the rules can be expressed by the algorithms and the data structures, raising the opportunity of hardware independence. By making the protocol software operating system independent, the source code could be considered as a protocol specification. This form of specification, however, is not suitable for the third parties that is going to be involved. After the process of developing the protocols has been used with the Internet Protocol suite, which includes TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, UDP, User Datagram Protocol, ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, Post Office Protocol (POP), File Transfer Protocol (FTP), and IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. These are some of the common types of protocols that has been used in present situation. Now we will see some of the types of network protocols that is used. Ethernet, local talk, token ring, FDDI and ATM are the types of network protocols that is being used. In the types of networks, we will see Ethernet as a first one, and in this it uses carrier sense multiple access with collision detection. By this use of this CSMA, the collision is being avoided and each computer listens to the cable before sending anything through the network. By doing so, we can avoid the collision that is going to be occurred between two stations. Second will be the local talk, which is developed by Apple Computer, and this method uses carrier sense multiple access with collision avoidance, and it is similar to the Ethernet, that is collision detection. In these local talk adapters, it uses special twisted pair cable that is in order to connect the series of computers through the serial port. The third network protocol will be the token ring, and it is developed by IBM, and this access method uses a token passing scheme. In the token ring, the computers are connected so that the signal travels around the network from one computer to another within this logical ring. A single electronic token moves around the ring from one computer to the next. Network protocols will be FDDI, that is Fiber Distributed Data Interface. It is a network protocol that is used primarily to interconnect two or more LANs over a large distance. This access method used by FDDI involves token passing, and it uses dual ring physical topology. Protocol will be ATM, Asynchronous Transfer Mode, and it transmits a data at a speed of 155 Mbps and even more. The ATM works by transmitting all data in small packets of fixed size, whereas all other protocols transfers in variable length packets, so losses will be maximum. And this ATM supports a variety of media such as video, a CD quality of audio and imaging, and this ATM employs a star topology with fiber optic as well as a twisted paire cable. We will see what is the need of network topology. The human intercommunication requires a rules of conversation to function effectively. The computers are used in order to make the communication as much easier without a maximum loss in that. By using the computers to communicate between two or more stations, it needs some of the regulations and rules in order to make proper communication over the computer network. For example, it will be a remote login telnet, FTP, or email. The set of rules and regulations is called a protocol. The function of protocols in a network will be used mostly in open system interconnection, and in my earlier videos we have seen the open system interconnection model and how the different layers is getting properly communicated. Those things are happened due to this protocol layers, and the protocols are needed to enable computer communications and to describe the common protocol sorts. The main objective of the network protocol will be the role of measurement in buildings for a high performance TCP IP networks, and also the tools available for the performance measurement, and to familiarize the freely available performance measurement and testing tools. In order to select an appropriate tool for a given task, the network protocols are being used. The main advantage of using this protocol will be all the computers in the world can be connected together because they are using or following the international standard, and it is easier in maintenance, and also installation will also be an easier thing. The installation process and the maintenance will be easier because it follows a common standard. While seeing the advantages of this protocol, we have to see the disadvantages too. The problems will be, if any problems will be occur in the international standard, then it will be creating a major problem, and all the companies and manufacturers must follow the same standard for developing new techniques. So these things are considered as a major disadvantages of using a protocol. The ultimate aim of using this protocol will be the computer networks have to be worked how the humans will work, play, and communicating, and also to force powerfully into the areas of our lives that no one had expected. The digital networking is further empowering us for the future. New protocols and standards will emerge, Even new applications will also be conceived, and our lives will be further changed and enhanced. Thank you.